There's a strange moment that happens in life. A moment you don't even notice until years later. A moment when you quietly cross from hoping for wealth to building it. It rarely looks dramatic. There's no luxury car, no sudden jackpot, no viral success. Instead, it feels like you're just living your days normally, almost like nothing special is happening. You wake up, you go to work, you invest a little, you learn a little, you improve tiny things about yourself that no one can see. And then, out of nowhere, something shifts. One day your investment account shows a number you didn't expect. Maybe it's the first time your equity portfolio crosses $50,000. Or maybe your dividend income suddenly pays your utility bill, or your index fund allocation quietly grows because the S&P 500 had a strong quarter, or your savings account finally has 6 months of expenses without you even realizing you had been consistently building it. But here's the twist. By the time the world notices you're becoming wealthy, you've already been wealthy in your habits for years. So today, we're going deep, not into cliches, not into recycled advice, not into tips you've heard 100 times, but into the hidden habits, the ones wealthy people do naturally, subconsciously, quietly, that turn an ordinary life into a high net worth life. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with habits you can implement today. And if you truly apply these habits, you won't need to announce your success. People will see it, eventually. But by then, the work will already be done. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. Let's begin. Number 1. The habit of treating money like a silent employee. Successful people quietly treat every dollar like an employee working for them 24/7. When most people earn money, they instantly think of spending. They link income with consumption. But wealthy individuals link income with deployment. They see every dollar as capital that needs to be assigned a task inside their financial ecosystem. Instead of letting money sleep in checking accounts or vanish through impulsive purchases, they push it into assets that generate equity growth, dividend income, or capital appreciation. They place it in index funds, ETFs, REI positions, short-term treasuries, or automated investment accounts that operate like tiny factories producing results in the background. This habit changes everything because it shifts their identity from consumer to investor. It forces them to evaluate purchases differently. They don't ask, "Can I afford this?" They ask, "What job could this dollar do for me if I assigned it more intelligently?" When your mind starts viewing money as a worker, every financial decision becomes strategic. This habit builds unshakable wealth because it doesn't rely on motivation, only structure. You set up rules, automations, and systems so your money works relentlessly even on days when you don't. And the most powerful part? No one sees it, no one applauds it, no one congratulates you for silently assigning your dollars to productive roles. Number 2. Treating time like a financial asset. People who quietly accumulate wealth treat hours the way others treat money. They understand that time is a form of capital that appreciates when used well and evaporates when ignored. This habit doesn't come from scheduling apps or productivity hacks. It comes from a disciplined relationship with how minutes are spent. They know that every choice either compounds or erodes potential. Quiet wealth builders treat distractions as hidden liabilities. They know the true cost of mindless scrolling isn't just lost minutes, but lost opportunity for compounding knowledge. Instead of drifting into digital noise, they create time blocks that preserve mental clarity. They spend moments thinking about future cash flow, evaluating potential investments, or reviewing their portfolio allocation. These small decisions stack into enormous advantages. This habit isn't dramatic. It doesn't attract attention. It's invisible to everyone except the person practicing it. But time invested wisely becomes wealth realized slowly and quietly. It turns skills into income streams into assets, and assets into compounding vehicles. It transforms an average earner into someone with a strong stock portfolio, diversified ETFs, stable bonds, and growing dividend income. Every hour has a return. Wealth builders simply choose returns that matter. Number 3. Respecting small wins in a large capital. Quiet wealth builders understand something most people overlook. Large fortunes are built on the backs of small, consistent wins. They never underestimate the impact of micro-progress. Whether it's a modest contribution to an index fund, a slight increase in a monthly SIP, or a tiny dividend reinvested through DRIP, they know compounding doesn't care about scale. It cares about consistency. This quiet respect for small wins also protects them from financial pressure. When a recession appears, they've already built resilience through incremental growth. A few dollars added to a retirement portfolio each week builds stability over decades. A series of small cost-saving decisions compounds into greater cash flow. A habit of regular market participation, no matter the size, creates familiarity with volatility and reduces emotional reactions. They know that people who chase big leaps often lose discipline, while people who stack small gains build powerful momentum. They understand that small contributions to equity-based funds, dividend-paying ETFs, or blue-chip stocks eventually create substantial net worth. They don't obsess over having the perfect amount. They focus on starting, continuing, and letting compounding do its work. Number 4. Decoupling emotions from money decisions. True wealth builders develop the habit of separating emotional impulses from financial strategy. They understand that money becomes unpredictable when emotions drive decisions. Instead of reacting to excitement, fear, anxiety, or peer influence, they use structured decision-making to guide financial actions. This habit shows up during market volatility. When everyone panics during a correction, they continue their dollar-cost averaging strategy. When others chase hyped stocks, they stick to long-term value investing or index fund allocation. They rely on fundamental analysis, not trending opinions. Their calm approach comes from preparation, not luck. This habit gives them stability, even in uncertain economic environments. They don't fear market corrections because they're not emotionally attached to temporary price fluctuations. Number 5. Building invisible systems for money growth. Quiet wealth builders don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. They automate contributions, simplify investment decisions, and streamline financial operations so wealth creation happens in the background. This removes friction, reduces procrastination, and ensures consistent progress. They set up automatic transfers to index funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts. They automate bill payments to avoid penalties. They create routine portfolio reviews monthly or quarterly instead of reacting daily. This system-driven approach ensures that money flows into assets before distractions take hold. Systems also protect them from decision fatigue. Instead of evaluating each financial choice from scratch, they follow predefined rules, invest a fixed percentage, limit discretionary spending, maintain emergency funds, rebalance portfolios annually, diversify across asset classes. This structure creates stability even when life becomes chaotic. Number 6. Being selective with information consumption. Quiet wealth builders understand that information is a form of capital, and most people bankrupt themselves without realizing it. The world is overloaded with financial opinions, market predictions, emotional noise, and sensational headlines. People who grow wealth silently choose their inputs carefully. They treat their mind like a portfolio where only high-quality ideas deserve space. This habit creates a unique advantage. When distractions fade, deeper understanding grows. They can identify undervalued opportunities, understand portfolio diversification better, recognize patterns in market psychology, and navigate volatility with more confidence. While others chase trends, they focus on long-term indicators that influence equity growth, dividend stability, and sustainable compounding. They don't buy into fast money promises because their inputs reinforce discipline, not impulsiveness. Over months and years, this habit rewires how they think. They develop a quiet confidence built on clarity instead of noise. They make strategic choices because their mental environment supports long-term wealth. Number 7. Prioritizing liquidity without flexing it. People who build wealth quietly hold a deep respect for liquidity. They know that having accessible capital creates options, the option to invest during market corrections, the option to escape financial pressure, the option to take calculated risks, and the option to negotiate from a position of strength. Liquidity is a silent superpower, and they protect it. They see liquidity as the foundation of risk management. It supports sustainable investing, smooths out unpredictable expenses, strengthens retirement portfolios, and fuels future growth. They understand that liquidity isn't about fear, it's about opportunity. It's about protecting compounding from interruption. It's about ensuring that no setback becomes permanent. Most importantly, they don't talk about their liquidity. They don't announce their cash position. They don't flex their emergency fund. The world never knows how prepared they are. Their strength stays hidden, while their net worth quietly expands through disciplined, strategic liquidity management. Number 8. Choosing deep focus over broad attention. Quiet wealth grows in environments where concentration is protected. People who build wealth silently are extremely selective about what deserves their attention. They understand that broad attention leads to shallow progress, while deep focus leads to exponential growth. They create pockets of uninterrupted time for meaningful work, financial planning, analyzing their stock portfolio, researching investment opportunities, evaluating market cycles, or studying new skills that expand earning power. During these focused periods, they eliminate multitasking because they understand that divided attention extracts a heavy price. Deep focus amplifies return on time, which amplifies return on money. Quiet wealth is never built through dramatic gestures or loud displays. It grows through intentional habits that most people overlook because they seem too slow, too subtle, too unexciting. But when practiced consistently, these habits reshape your financial reality. They strengthen your relationship with money. They build resilience. They create room for opportunity and protect you from chaos. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you want to know 10 minimalist money rules to build wealth faster, then watch this video. I'll see you there.